weather is unpredictable and causes the prevailing air pressure to continuously fluctuate between low and high. Depending on the air pressure, the draft at the flue and the steam outlet can fluctuate by up to 400%. As a result, the difference in pressure between the baking chamber and the bakehouse can also vary significantly. Let's take a look at the development of this pressure difference during conventional baking. With the input of steam, the pressure increases. From this point, the fluctuating flue draft has an effect on the baking chamber. When the slide valve is closed, this is only via the steam outlet, but with an open flue, the effect is constant. Thus, there is no control over how the pressure difference between the baking chamber and the ambient air pressure develops, and at worst, it will develop completely differently from one day to the next. Depending on the system and the weather conditions, sometimes there is underpressure, sometimes normal pressure, and sometimes significant overpressure. Such unregulated pressure differences, however, make it impossible to obtain consistently good baking quality, especially during the increase in volume and the transport of moisture to the surface on the dough pieces. In other words, during crust formation, the fluctuating pressure conditions lead to very different results. Our developers were determined to solve this quality problem, which occurs in all ovens and even in optimally dimensioned baking chambers. They developed a solution that puts an end to unregulated pressure development in the baking chamber. Atmospheric baking, the autopilot for consistent, improved baking results. This autopilot intervenes in the baking process after the first few minutes, so that the same pressure is present in the baking chamber that is in the bakehouse. That is, neither overpressure nor underpressure. The benefits are obvious. Regardless of the air pressure, with atmospheric baking, the baking results always remain the same. Many baked products develop significantly better volume, a fine crumbly crust, and a genuine crispiness with significantly less moisture loss on the surface. Due to the reduced input of cold, fresh air, atmospheric baking saves significant amounts of energy. The system works autonomously, without manual corrections or rebaking. You always get exactly reproducible product quality.